Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys. And yes, we finally have the Coke Studio season 15. It has already commenced and पहला गाना इसका आ चुका है 3 दिन पहले ये गाना रिलीज हुआ है, so I'm a little bit late but better late than ever guys. So yes, we have Coke Studio Pakistan's first drop जिस गाने का नाम है I, that's the name of the song. And इसमें 3 आर्टिस्ट है, नोमान अली राजपर, मारवी साइबा और बाबर मंगी. सो आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू सी बिफोर आई लिसन टू द सॉन्ग कि इसमें कोई डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया है कि नहीं सिर्फ क्रेडिट्स दिए हैं. एक्चुअली जो कोक स्टूडियो बांग्ला है उसमें हर एक गाने का एक छोटा सा डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया रहता था. सो मे बी आई थॉट दैट वाज अ रियली गुड टच बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली सी मी बीइंग अ बंगाली आई कुड स्टिल understand the song, but there was always a meaning behind every song. So I loved how Coke Studio Bangla kind of they gave what is the context of the song, why the song is being sung. So I thought that was a really good touch done by them, and maybe the other Coke studios should adopt that, and especially the OG one. I feel that's just a personal opinion. So anyway, let's listen to the song. I'm very very excited. 3 आर्टिस्ट है और 5.5 मिनट का गाना है, and जिस तरह से they delivered in Coke Studio 14 season 14 basically, my expectations guys, my expectations are sky high. Now I don't know if it's fair or not, but अब है, जनता की expectations अब है 15th season से. That's what I'm gonna say. Anyway, so let's not delay this any further. Let's listen to I right away.
Coke Studio season 15.
Woo! Okay, sorry. I know the production is gonna be crazy, man. Oh, is it a folk song? It seems like Rajasthani attire. Right? Oh wow. Lovely. Really excited.
छा करणो नाए तू छो तो ॿुधाई ज़ोर जी मेहंदी लॻंदी नाए छा करणो आहे मूंखे छा नाए तू छो ॿुधाई मुंहिंजे लाइ जॾहिं ताड़ी न वॼाई
That's a Rajasthani song.
मुंहिंजे हाल ते
kind of.
ऐं सवाल ते ॻाल्हि छा कजे गॾु सफ़र में जो मां हुजां त ॿियो नाल छा कजे ख्वाबनि खे वकोड़ियो अथई पाणीअ खे ॿोड़ियो अथई तोखे ईअं मोटंदे ॾिसी चए थी सारी खुदाई
Yeah, Mangi on the mic. मुंहिंजा माण्हू आहिनि मुंहिंजे इंतज़ार में हथ में ॾियो आहे सभु एतमाद में जीअं हुजे मालो खटिया हिकु राति में सॼो संसार खे हिकु इंसान में हल हाणे कर पंहिंजो कमाल छा जो इंतज़ार आहे सॼो आहे काफ़िलो तयार दुख मिलिया पर कढ तूं मन मां ॿाहिरि कंहिंजी न मज़ार आहे हण पंहिंजो धमाल साईं मां कंदो ॻाल्हि आहे लख जी अॼुकल्ह जी कामयाबी हिकु ई धक जी एॾी वॾाई कहिड़े कम जी मूंखां पुछो मां त कंदो ॻाल्हि हक़ जी अथी दिलि में जेको बि ॻाए जेको बि थियण तूं चाहे हाणे तूं थी ॾेखार हिते हिसाब को नाहे दुनिया है ख्वाबनि ते क़ाइमु सोच सां पाण खे ठाहियूं ज़िंदगी हलंदी रहंदी रुकंदी कॾहिं बि नाहे बट वॾा केस ताईं सुम्हंदे ख्वाबनि में वेठो तूं आसमान चुमंदे जॾहिं बि थींदी ड्रॉप छा तूं जुमंदे पंजे जे सिके ते लाड़काणो घुमंदे
ख़बर खे वकोड़ियो अथई पाणीअ खे ॿोड़ियो अथई तोखे ईअं मोटंदे ॾिसी चए थी सारी खुदाई
माण्हू पटंदे कीअं सुम्हां
Oh my god, I got a little emotional.
पूरा न है वो पैन कैश
So beautiful, man. Here she comes victorious. Wow.
जिनक तो ऊंधाई वैली मुझो राणल पोतो पार साई वैली
नरस जिनक तो ऊंधाई वेली मुझो राणल पोतो पार साई वेली
खाबन के तो खाब दिखाया जागी पया तई खनवारा काफले में उतनहा लाए गदा दा सबका खनवारा कल सको जिंदगी के दिन होता ही कोई भी न तो प्यारा तो के ये मोट दे दिसी जयती सारी खुदाई
Wow. No. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Wow. Let me stop this. I don't know what the context of the song is, but I'm sure somebody will explain. But it made me emotional. It made me emotional. Season 15 has started with a bang. I swear. This is clearly talking about someone because you see the woman who's kind of crying, and it feels to me like it's that particular person's story because it clearly says I. Like she's come back victorious. Also, at least in the India side of things, like when I saw the video, it's like, oh, this is the attire from Rajasthan. And then I'm guessing the first singer who sang is Noman Ali. So I was like, oh, is it Rajasthani dialect? But it's definitely not Rajasthani dialect. It's a different language. Has a little bit of influence of whatever I have heard of the dialect and the language spoken in Rajasthan. But it mentioned Thar also. So I'm guessing it's from Pakistan side. It's from probably a song which has originated from Sindh. That's what my broad guess is. But I could be wrong, guys. Wherever I am wrong, please correct me in the comments. So definitely a different language. Please let me know which one exactly. It's from Sindh, so I don't know what is it. Sindhi? Is it Sindhi language? I don't want to take guesses, but let's talk about just the song. Just the song. Firstly, instrumentals, incredible. It had such a great blend of modernity as well as the folk. Beautifully blended. The not just the instrumentals and the rhythm, but also the composition was phenomenal. And like I said, I got emotional. Maybe it's because of it's talking about a story of a woman who probably faced some sort of issues or problems in her life, and then she's kind of she basically came out victorious on the other side of it. So this is what my broad guess is from the song and whatever lyrics I was reading, but I was more vibing to the song beautifully. Like I said, season 15 has started with a bang. Cannot wait for all the subsequent songs to drop. But if this is the first song, oh my god, they're setting the expectations very, very high. Before the reaction only, I said my expectations are sky high for season 15, and the first drop did not disappoint at all. It did not disappoint at all. I absolutely love it. Also, I don't know the folk singer's name. When she started singing, my heart just bursted in joy for some reason, because it felt like it's a story from their place. Like they're talking about a woman who has come from there, who's come from Sindh. And I was like, this is there is a different kind of energy and emotion when she was singing. I absolutely loved it. So please give me more context on the song, on what who are they talking about, or is it like a fictional just character that they're talking about, some folklore that I do not know that originated from Sindh in Pakistan. So I loved it. There's nothing more to say. Except that I'm gonna loop this in, obviously, and I'm just going to wait for the subsequent song drops. I'm really really looking forward to all the songs from season 15, and also they post Magical Journey episodes also. So if you want me to react, I usually watch it on my own, but if you want me to react to it, all those episodes as well, please let me know. I'll take that into consideration depending upon how many like a comment gets or how much you comment on that. So I'll do that. So this was I song reaction. Beautiful, emotional, just made me just when they were singing I. Oh, I don't know, I just got the chills, man. I just got the chills. Beautifully sung, beautifully composed, beautifully shot. It was absolutely amazing. And then when the peacock walks in, I was like, bro, this is just that that addition of the peacock. Obviously, peacock is India's national bird. I don't know what is the importance of peacock there. So you guys can also comment on that in the comments below. So yeah, that was my reaction, guys. I loved it, and thank you, Coke Studio. Just it's a gift that keeps on giving, honestly. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off now from this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.